Hi kabayan, good morning. Okay, sabay ako sa'yo ha. First time kong kakantahin ko. Try natin. Sa nag-inbox sa akin, sorry, hindi ako makikipag-join sa inyo. Iwas-iwas. Dito na lang ako kay kabayan. Walang trouble.
When I think like the words get mad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are.
I cry
these tears
on our own. We've been so far. We've thrown out the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love's still true.
Friends have come and guns have had. Leave me alone, but I've started this once before, and leave me be blue.
All along in my heart, I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No question in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Hindi ko alam to kabayan.
Count on you everywhere. This is my world is mine, and you are really important to me. My miracle sign. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do. Long as it's close to you.
Happy pa more. Dami mong kanta ngayon kabayan ha. Kakantayin ko mamaya yung Turabsoy. Sakasakay ako doon. Ano pa yun? Parang may isa pang hindi kayo nandun. Bailey. Bailey. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko hindi ko pa kabisado. Basta Bailey.
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back.
Count on you everywhere. traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Pero mali ako. Sige lang. Banat. Now and forever. Now
forevermore.
Forevermore pala.
As the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can
Nagpa-practice niya eh.
count on you.
Thank you, kabayan. God bless us. Salamat ah. May re-request ako sa'yo mamaya. Inbox ko.
Syukran. Salamat.
Shukran. Ay, kantahin mo na lang. Paano? Ha, pag may time ka. Papatulo kaya ata ng bata dyan eh. Salamat kabayan. God bless us.